How's it going, brother?
Good, man. I feel good. Yeah.
No, you look sharp, brother.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready?
Yep, all set.
What up, y'all? It's Steve. What up, y'all? It's DJ Envy. We're at the premiere of Fightland, executive produced by my guy, 50 Cent. Now, listen, you've done a lot on the focus. Decided to go to the UK first.
Yeah, this one's different.
So break it down for people that haven't seen it. It comes out the 31st. So
one time right here, guys, please. Right here, please.
Gentlemen, right here to your left. Awesome, thank you.
Guys, let's get you right in the center for stars.
TV is in the building. YTV is in the building, baby.
What up, it's Mr. X to the Z Exhibit YTV. Just keep it going.